Okay, so yeah, hello and welcome to another lecture in this course. Where I will quickly exactly explain you, the difference between Eclipse and IntelliJ and what is better for Java programming. So yeah, let's start. So as you can see, I have now quickly opened every two programs. So as you already know, we have downloaded, and so I've showed you how to download Eclipse and IntelliJ in two separated lectures, and then also showed you in two separated lectures how to exactly understand it and use, for example, Eclipse and IntelliJ. So, and what I now want to do is with you, I want to quickly explain you some things. So personally in this course, and this is also why what I will use in this course personally, and what I also will use in this course, as I already said, I will use IntelliJ because I think it's beginner friendly and it's also better in usage. Because for example, when you go into here and go into file, and for example, want to create a new project right there, you have different opportunities. For example, right here, you can see it opens up a completely new thing, like a new window with Java, Maven, Gradle, Android, and so on. So it is like very cool to use. You have more options, you have more designs, you have more styles, you have a better overview in my opinion. You have various abilities in this, cool thing, but there are also stuff at Eclipse. So when you look around on other Java tutorials, for example, on YouTube or other stuff, a lot of people are using Eclipse because they started using Eclipse, and all those people, have worked with it years ago, and they personally think that it's better. So I switched over from Eclipse to IntelliJ about 1 or 2 years ago, so 1.5 I think it was, because overall I think IntelliJ is better for beginners, and in my opinion it was also better because it has more styles. Like you can see, it has a better overview. Right here, you can see we can manage through our project. We have everything right there. Of course, you also have everything right there. But I personally still think that this has a better management. We have a target folder and so on. So right there, it's a little bit, you can see it's still working, but it's a little bit, also some errors appear. You have not like automatically Maven applied, and those all things you can easily apply in IntelliJ. But if you want to use Eclipse, for example, if you watched Eclipse tutorials or start over from not from a beginner of Java and watch this course because of you want to expand your knowledge by using JavaFX or only object-oriented programming, and you think that Eclipse is better for you, you can use Eclipse. To be very short and quickly, overall the features and usage of IntelliJ is in my opinion better for you, for me, and in this case also for beginners, which I think I do. Also there are people who maybe just want to advance or check their knowledge, don't worry, you can still use IntelliJ. So there's like nothing different, because when you switch over from Eclipse to IntelliJ, the only thing you have is like a new theme you can apply and other stuff, but you have the same coding editor, because maybe it's now a little dumb, but some people think that when you switch over from Eclipse to IntelliJ, that the program changes, but we're handling Java, so Java is like in no other programming software the programming language changes when you switch a software you want to develop in. So for example, when I want to develop in JavaScript or in Python or other stuff and use, for example, Visual Studio Code or other stuff, the programming language is not changing when you switch over to other like editors. So it's the same. So don't worry that you, for example, if you want to use Eclipse and during the course I only use IntelliJ, that something is different. No, the programming language keeps the same. I think for sure that you should know this. So, but as already said, over and all, in this course I will use IntelliJ, and for personal usage I think that IntelliJ is better for beginners, for you, and for the people who want to advance or check their knowledge in this course. So over and all, I would recommend you to use IntelliJ, but still don't worry, for every lecture, like apply Maven stuff, install JavaFX or some things, we will cover also this for Eclipse. But for me, over and all, Eclipse is a little bit outdated, so it's over the years it's still the same, and IntelliJ looks very new, very modern, and just very better, and also has better themes which are better for my eyes when I'm working on new projects, or even making course videos like currently. So as already explained, over and all, I would recommend you to use IntelliJ. And this was everything I wanted to talk to you about this lecture, but feel free, you can choose what you think is better. You can always switch it, the programming language stays basically the same, so nothing is changing. So this is everything I wanted to talk with you about in this lecture, and I will see you in the next lecture where we will continue to work on how to exactly learn programming with Java. So see you in the next lecture. Bye.